Hey guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Today I will be sharing Thanksgiving tablescape ideas, so let me know which one was your favorite. This video has been requested, so I'm happy to get it out for you guys. Starting off with this first tablescape, I wanted to add all the pumpkins I had as well as the matching grape clusters, and they're all from Z Gallery. The pumpkins range from $10 a piece to $20 a piece. I love shopping smart, so let me tell you what I did to get all of these gorgeous pieces at amazing deals. So every year the Z Gallery pumpkins go on sale after the season is ending and the prices drop every couple of weeks after that. I scored the pumpkins from $3 to $7, you guys, and the grape clusters for about $6 a piece. I stalked their website every day until I saw the price that I wanted to pay for them, and let me tell you, it was mentally exhausting. Going to ShopTagger has made my shopping life so much easier, you guys. I get notified immediately when an item I have been eyeing goes on sale at the percentage I want. This video is sponsored by ShopTagger. This is like a website app that lets you go to your favorite stores and pick an item that you've been wanting, and you can get notified either by email or text when it goes on sale. So if you've been eyeing those grapes or pumpkins, I say go ahead and download ShopTagger so you can add them to your wish list, because I know they will go quick like they always do every year. You can pick whatever percentage of sale you want the item to be and get notified immediately. It helps you to also stay organized and remember what it is you have been wanting to buy. You can make multiple wish lists for different categories you're shopping for example, home decor, fashion, or beauty, and I already have my Black Friday shopping list set up so I can go ahead and start adding what I want so I won't forget about it later. When I signed up with them on my computer, I also made a bookmark so that way when I'm shopping on a website, all I do is click the ShopTagger button and it saves in my wish list instead of the store's cart. I wish I would have known about them sooner, because all my days of stalking websites for the items I wanted to be on sale were a waste. I always save things in my carts to different stores. Do you guys do that too? So here I'm just showing you how you can create your specific wish list. You can get started after downloading ShopTagger to your cell phone or on the computer. I will have their link in my description box. With ShopTagger, shopping has never been more convenient. For the second tablescape, I wanted to include the pumpkins and grapes but wanted to add height, so I added candle holders. I also changed the plates to these champagne and silver ones to give it a different look instead of all the silver with You guys know I love my glam, so all of these centerpieces are going to be just that, but fall style. If this isn't your typical style, just use this as an idea and you can tweak it to make it your own right for your home. For style number 4, I wanted it to be all silver and white, so I added this gunmetal charger that I got at HomeGoods last year when it was on sale after the Christmas season, and I added these silver pumpkins from Z Gallery, the candle holders of course to give beautiful ambiance, and I added these string lights to decorate the centerpiece. I used the Dollar Tree mirror coasters and love the way this table turned out. It looks so glam. I like to have neutral colored napkins because they can go with any table setting. This napkin set has silver trim around the border and it just complements the plate setting so elegantly. Here's the last style I have for the table. I shopped within my home for everything I showed you guys today. Instead of going out to buy more things, I wanted to use what I had and save money. I use the pumpkins every year because they are my favorite. For this centerpiece, I had this ice bucket I filled with the grapes and pumpkins in the kitchen, and I just brought it out to the table to give it a different look. This concludes all of the Tablescape styling ideas. I hope you guys found one of these styles helpful and inspiring for your Thanksgiving tablescape. Let me know which one was your favorite, I'd love to know. Don't forget to download ShopTagger so you can save money on things you have been wanting. With the holidays very near, this is such a great way to help you get the best deals. You can find the link below in the description box to their website. Black Friday is coming and I know there will be plenty of sales. Add the items you want to your cart now so you don't forget them later with everything going on. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Take care.